Evening traders, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets with the daily direction prediction for the 29th of June. Today I'm looking again at taking one of the pound pairs long, and it'll be pound Swiss, and we'll dive into why. So firstly, on the weekly chart, what I see here at the moment is this triple bottom forming at 1.23, and it looks quite nice there at the moment. You see the RSI is bottomed out about 11, so we've got energy to the upside for this trade. It looks quite nice that way. On the daily chart, we have again on this overall triple bottom on the daily chart we have another triple bottom on the third bottom here, and what I like about this is the way it's being formed as well. So as you notice here, we've come down doji, bearish, then bullish, then moved upwards. We then came for the second test with a doji and some small movement upwards. Then we come back down again, and we have this huge bullish engulfing candle which just took everyone out short as possible, and has actually broken above this downward sloping trend line, which you'll see a bit clearer on the 4-hour chart. My initial limit will be around the daily 50, but I do feel we could head up to 1.26, where, as you can see, the daily 50 hasn't particularly given us too much trouble. 1.26 it seems to be a bit more there. So personally myself, I might take some profit at the daily 50 and then take the rest of the profit at 1.26. That's my plan. So on the 4-hour chart, originally we had this downward sloping trend line, sorry, upward sloping trend line here, but I don't think it's going to be too valid now. But the downward sloping trend line, as you can see from there, is clearly quite valid, and we've had a nice bullish move to the upside, lots of energy there. Just looking for a little pullback now. We've got the 4-hour 50 on our side as well here, and when you pop down to the 1-hour chart, this is what you're looking for here. So we've got at the 1-hour pivot, we've got the 1-hour 50, the 4-hour 50 comp as well. Got a mini level at 1.237, nice little level there, a couple of touches here and there, and the two trend lines there. So like I said, so 1.249 I believe it is the daily 50. We'll double check that for you again. Daily 50 1.2495. So that's where the day 50 will be for 2.7%, and obviously then you've got a 1.26, sorry, which will be there, and that's the key level that is. So you can take half there for 2.5%, for 1% there, add another couple of percent there afterwards as well. You could do either way and see how it goes, or you can have a main target there and see how the trade actually goes anyway, and see how it reacts with the daily 50. Personally myself, I want to take some profit out before the daily 50. So I'll get out at 1.249. That's what I'm looking for, really. Something around that area there, really. Okay, guys, I hope you're well, and we'll speak to you soon. Take care.